We just put in at Southern Bayou Boat Ramp in Palm Harbor, Florida. In Pinellas County, Tampa Bay Area.
Probably dry.
So we came to this boat ramp. There's one ramp. It's very busy. A lot of potholes. Shallow water, especially with the low tide. It's not low tide right now, but they said it was. So basically all of the boaters' obstacles when getting in and out of the water, right?
Yeah.
We are on an island called Horseshoe, here like in on the border of Palm Harbor. And it's just like a small island, kind of like the one we went to in Dunedin, like a spoil island where, you know, they have like some barbecue pits and stuff set up, and I guess you could camp out here if you like really wanted to. So we got the little boat out here with the bimini. Yeah, baby. You can see where people had rock piles. So we're at Honeymoon Island right now. We came up on the boat. And there's just like fresh, like beautiful, soft white sand and blue waters. Let's see, he's 17 months old now. As of today, because it's the 29th. 17 months.
I made it to the other side of the island. Kind of up on a hill here, although you can't really tell. Probably like a good 5 or 10 feet off of the water.
Get my fishing pole out yet.
Honey, we're just pulling away from the boat ramp, okay? We have to find a good fishing spot to get a fish. You can't just whip it out without it being timed.
There's a big Australian pines ridge over here on this side.
See how gorgeous this view is on the GoPro right now. It's so cool. Here's my family. I love them so much. Day after Memorial Day, 2022. 4 months till wedding. so the next island up is 3 Rooker. We're having a lovely time. We tried to catch a couple fish, but we haven't fished in so long since the babies, so it's like, how do we even fish anymore? I don't remember.
And this whole island is these rocks. Fossilized coral rocks.
What?
I didn't want to go right towards that concrete thing.
It's been a long time since I came out this way, but the water's just so clear and beautiful. It's like, why not, right? So awesome. Look how blue the water is. It's so pretty. It's Bryana Chastad here to welcome you to the bay. Look at it in all its glory.